Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove an image background directly inside Figma using its built-in AI tool. Figma now offers a native background removal feature powered by AI, so you no longer need third-party plugins like before. If you're working in Figma Design, simply select the image on your canvas. In the top image editing toolbar, click the Remove Background button. The AI will process the image in just a few seconds and automatically isolate the main subject. If you're using FigJam, Figma Slides, or Figma Sites, the process is slightly different. Select your image, click the Actions button in the toolbar, and choose Remove Background. The AI will handle the rest. You can also access this feature through the Fill settings. Select your image, go to the right panel, and under the Fill section, click on the Image Preview to open editing options. Then click the AI star icon and choose Remove Background. Beyond background removal, Figma also includes other AI editing tools. The Isolate feature lets you manually select an area with a lasso to separate it into a new layer. The Erase tool allows you to remove specific objects from an image. And Boost Resolution can enhance the sharpness of low-quality images. If the built-in AI doesn't give you perfect results, you can still use external tools like Photopea or Remove.bg for more advanced masking control. And that's it. That's how you quickly remove backgrounds and enhance images using Figma's native AI tools.